Waiting day, you no fit go waka hustle. You say no, you prepare and went follow go open wetin you wan open, collect wetin you wan collect. Now you no fit eat the money. Option one, baba either marry the mad woman wey him go rape, or option two, him serve 10 years in jail. Make una hear this one. If na longer throat una dey. This girl follow man. Now see this mad woman don get justice. I dey tell you. Justice for the mad. Let's all fly our banners. Justice for the mad. Good morning, good afternoon, good day, everybody in the building. It's YolyBoy, and you already know. Welcome back to YolyBoy TV. Today on the show, I brought to you two stories. These two stories, they go out well. Because to me, I feel like when I saw this headline, I was like, I have to bring it on YouTube. Let's see what we can discuss on these two things. And I want to hear your point of view. I want to know whatever you have to say about this. The first story where I bring is a man was arrested. And the problem is that this man raped mad woman. He raped mad woman. Story one. Story two on our checklist now. Girl where they find girl, beautiful black beauty, I dey tell you, nice lady like this. Don't follow guy, go waiting, nobody know. The guy just come drop her. As the guy go, she don't run mad. Good story. May we start with that mad woman on way man action. She na craze dey my head ni, abi na madness dey my head ni, abi which kind konji go hold pikin? Where we say you know if you hold yourself, you cannot control it, you cannot manage them. As old as you, as I see this guy now, this guy don't pass 30. Me, I think he dey approach 30 or don't pass 30. Waiting could make man no hold konji go knack mad woman, not be knack self go rape am. For this country where we did, people they find food to eat, you they try to locate toto where you want knack by force. Now rape save, and all the fine girls where they your town, all the fine girls where they your Facebook, all the fine girls where they your area, you no see anyone. Now mad woman, you see, bro, twale. This young man now has been arrested, and then police don't take him. They take him to court. I wish justice go do this country like this. Person rape mad woman, they take him to court, and judge will handle that case. If I for meet him, I'll go give him bossa. Say court give him two options. Option one, baba either marry the mad woman where he go rape, or option two, he serve 10 years in jail. God, sometimes in this country, if justice is being sanctioned, is being done on the right things, you like Nigeria. When I saw this thing, I say, God, what a beautiful country like Nigeria. Nigeria is a blessed country. Just because sometimes all of us get 5 seconds of madness. The judge that handled this case, I give you bossa. Now the best way to attack this country be that. If now you they tell you this thing, 10 years in jail or marry mad woman. Oh boy, God. But anyway, he deserve him. Whether you go 10 years in jail, no problem. Before you come out, you don't run mad like that woman. And now when they talk of either you marry her or you serve 10 years in jail, marry mad woman, stay 10 years in jail. I love the judge will solve this problem. What do you think? If now so Nigeria go they go, everybody go they jolly. Because the truth will always prevail. Now see this mad woman don't get justice. They tell you. Justice for the mad. Let's all fly our banners. Justice for the mad. Because if the mad can get justice, that means we where they live on with normal head like this, we go soon get our right back. Though sometimes people they run for street, you go see somebody normal, they walk, I mad past crazy person. Like this man wey go knack mad woman, you fit say this guy head correct? You know say the reason he get be say he no fit hold the condition, say cold dey worry am, so him wan go reduce am. Na for mad woman he see. Say he no fit hold him body. Guy, wetin do ashawo? Wetin do ashawo? You no fit go pay your 1.5. You go carry your body go knack mad woman in form of rape. You for even find way where you go enter am. You no fit, you go knack am with energy by force. Now you are to choose her. She go be your bride too. I pray she born triplet. That mad woman wey knack, make she born triplet give am. Na then I go clear. May we even go our next story. Like, okay, this one now is a very serious one. We need to take careful. This one is a young girl. See, fine girl, black beauty. May I even see her face well? Maybe I feel know this girl. Taraba girl, May una hear this one. If na longer throat, this girl follow man. Man carry am. She go do wetin she wan do. I no wan talk wetin dem do because I no dey there. But on a normal sense, you suppose know wetin dem go do there. They carry her go finish. As the guy drop her for street waka, she don run mad. Taraba. Taraba. Hey. This girl now dey run for street like mad woman. Today na mad headlines I bring for you. Still in Taraba again. Wetin dey? You no fit go waka hustle. You say no. You prepare and went follow, go open wetin you wan open, collect wetin you wan collect. Now you no fit eat the money. Sorry, You see, in this country like this, a lot of people are saying it's her boyfriend, no. Some are saying it's Yahoo Boy, some are saying Babala. Whatever it is, the thing is that she don't run mad and nobody know who run her mad. She there on the street. If you know, I will help her people go find her, take her home. Maybe she feel dey useful. Like now, like this mad woman where this guy don't knack, she don't dey useful. At least she don't put sense in the head of other guys. Make them know say, Omo, if you try some things, you know if you run away. May una dey careful in this country. It's not always where we say law no dey act. Sometimes law go fall on you bam. Before you wake up, it don't go. Before you know, it's done, it's finished. My ladies, try to dey calm, dey patient. No dey rush your life. You want buy iPhone, you want buy Benz, you want put wetin they call her. Waiting be that thing now. Born straight. You want born straight. Hey, you want wear designer, hold back. You go do now. See, you are mad. Who knows now? Maybe this girl now, she is. Who knows whether they didn't even pay her yet? Her future is gone. Her life is gone. So please, may we dey learn. I want you to help others. If you know people who need this video, share and give them. Make them see for themselves. Say, Omo, 99 days for the thief, 1 day for the honor. I even pray say this girl and this guy own now 99 days. Where we say they don't enjoy 99 days before that 1 day catch up. But if now the 1 day for the thief, 1 day for the honor, where we say, as you just come back, now so they catch you back. First trial, capture. That one you don't lose. But if you don't do like 20 days for the thief, 1 day for the honor, you see, you don't gain small. So people, let's try to adjust our life. When body they do you, go meet a shower straight. If you not get where you want deposit, go meet a shower. That one, you go balance well. And girl, if you want money, your papa no give you, go hustle. Because these days, everybody I don't read for this country. You know, they follow man now. Man go clear your doubt. Use you. Go use the money, pamper another girl. Now this girl head don't wipe. She don't mad. They go use the money, go spend on another woman. Which is not fair, but it's good. Other ladies go learn. But we rebuke this. We rebuke it. So my people, now waiting I carry come today be that. May we not they advise our younger ones, advise our friends where they involve in this kind chuku uru life.